Good day everybody and welcome back to another Amazon PPC newsflash, the first one in the new year 2021. And I have some really hot news coming from the Amazon Advertising Console reports. You can now create a search term impression, share, and rank report for sponsored products. So previously it was available already for sponsored brands since a couple of weeks, but now also for sponsored products you can create a impression rank report, and this is what it's going to look like. You will be able to see for each of your search terms how much of the impressions you are getting compared to your competitors, as well as what is your rank with that impression share. And obviously this means this is the first time we can really make sure we are actually getting as many impressions from a keyword as possible. Before, all we had was various keyword research tools that would give us an estimate of search volume, and then you would kind of guess whether or not you are actually getting, all the impressions you could possibly get. But now you simply know. So if you are ranked number one, then obviously you're doing a good job and, just keep it up. But now, you can see if you're not getting impressions for a certain keyword, you can now actually get a decisive answer. Is it because my bids are too low, or is it simply because the keyword does not have a lot of search volume? Right? You could be ranked number one, but still get very few impressions, and now you have the answer. So obviously this is not something I'm probably going to check for all of my hundreds of products on a daily basis, but for your top sellers and therefore the top relevant keywords, this is going to be really interesting. As well as, of course, for your branded search terms, you want to make sure you are the number one ranked in terms of impression share. So, go ahead and make sure you are the one that shows up the most for your own brand. So really cool stuff. As of now, as far as I can tell, it is not yet available via the Amazon Advertising API. It's not yet in these release notes from January. So it's not yet going to be available within various PPC tools, right? But certainly that will only be a matter of time, and it is yet another really cool KPI, and hopefully all of these tools will be able to make use of that sooner or later, because that is going to make bid automation based on impressions far more reliable, right? You don't always want to increase your bids just because there's little impressions, because the keyword could simply just have very little search volume. But in the future, when this information becomes available via the API, these tools will know, okay, is it even worth it to increase my bids for that keyword? And if you're already ranked number one, then obviously it is not. So a great KPI, and hopefully soon it will also become available for the API, for the tools, and then it will be even more actionable. Okay, and that is already it. A really nice little update from Amazon to its advertisers in the beginning of this year. So let's hope it continues that way. Amazon keeps on giving. All right, and that's it for this one. Have a great new year from my end. A little bit late, but better late than never. So I'll see you around and have a great day.